Hi everyone, this is Erin from Bridgeville and Southvale Libraries. Today we are going to make a cookie cutter birdseed feeder. Let's see what you'll need for this craft. We're going to start off by adding our gelatin to our pod here. And this is what it looks like. We're using unflavored gelatin, and you can find it in the baking aisle right next to the Jell-O. And we're going to add our 1/4 cup of water right in there. And we're going to put it on about medium-low and just give that a stir. And we're going to heat it until all of that gelatin is dissolved. So we're just going to keep stirring that and keep an eye on it. And then we'll move on to the fun part, which is adding in the birdseed. I just want to show you here, it looks like it's kind of goopy and clear, so it should turn pretty clear is what you're looking for. So I'll keep my eye on that. So that looks pretty good, if you can see that. It's turned a nice clear color. So I'm going to go ahead and add my birdseed in. About 1 cup there. I'm just going to give it a stir, try to coat it nicely in that gelatin. And the gelatin is what's going to hold everything together and act as that kind of binding agent. So I'm just going to give it a nice stir in here. We want to try and have all that liquid be absorbed, which it looks like it's doing a pretty good job of. We'll just let it cook up for about a minute or so, and then we'll move on to filling in our molds. So here I have my 2 cookie cutters. I have them on wax paper, and I'm using just basic circles, but you could have fun and use some different shapes, whatever you like. Now I'm going to spoon my mixture into the cookie cutter, and you want to make sure that you press down with the back of your spoon to get it nice and compact. And depending on how much you use and how big your cookie cutter is, you may be able to fill more than one. It looks like I'll just get 1 out of this. And that's okay. This one's pretty big. You want to make sure you move a little ways down from the top, and you're going to just push it all the way through to the bottom, and you want to just let it stand there, and it'll stay in there as this cools. And you're going to leave your birdseed ornament cookie cutter to cool overnight. Once it firms up a bit, maybe after about 8 hours or so, what I recommend is gently flipping this over, making sure the straw stays in so that the other side has a chance to cool and firm up. So we'll check back tomorrow once this has a chance to set. My ornament has dried overnight, and to remove the cookie cutter, I just very gently kind of pushed it through from all the different sides and slowly removed it. And now I popped my straw through, and I had a hole, and then I have some twine that I threaded through, and I'll just put a knot in there, and my ornament will be ready to hang outside for the birds to enjoy. So thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.